I'm Serena Visser from Lake Grappa, and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about Lake Grappa. Lake Grappa was built for Gerrit San Geer, which was an international and South African skier. They used to ski in the river, but then they started getting a problem, and Gerrit built the dam for him to practice on. There was a few international and national championships held here as well. After that, around the dam developed Lake Grappa, the accommodation, the bar, and the venue, and the restaurant. Accommodation consists of rooms, luxury rooms, family rooms. We've got standard rooms, and then we've got two bedroom chalets and two one bedroom chalets. We've got a restaurant with a la carte menu, and we've got a bar which anyone can visit. And then we've got a venue where we cater for weddings, we cater for gatherings like corporate functions, we do birthdays, we do kitchen teas and baby showers and kiddies parties. We've got a lovely play area for the kids. And we've got camping for those who like to camp, and then you can also fish in the lake. We've got a lot of fish in the lake. Why should you come here? The tranquility, recharge your soul, to rest, and just to have peace of mind in a quiet, beautiful surroundings. Thank you.